So to create your Upwork account, first of all, you have to log into upwork.com, or you simply type Upwork. So here we are at the Upwork homepage. Now you have login. Now I'm not going to log into my account because I want to show you guys how to create your own account, not how to log into your account, because I already have an account. So once you're here, first thing you do is sign up. Click on sign up. Then it says you're joined as a client or freelancer, or okay, I'm a client hiring for a project, or I'm a freelancer looking for work. Now you already know yourself. You came here to look for work, and you came here to work as a freelancer. So you simply click here, then click on apply as a freelancer. So here you apply with you fill in your details, because for you to be able to create an Upwork account, you have to give Upwork some of your details, like your name, last name, email, and all those stuff. So for here, my first name is Chukwuka, my last name is Obanidon. Obanidon. My email, I have so many emails, but let me use this one, Chukwuka. This is like my official email, obani1@gmail.com. Then password, yeah, as you can see, this email is already in use. So basically, I can't use another email to create an Upwork account, because if I use another email, Upwork will detect it as long as it's coming from this IP address I used to log into my Upwork account. So that's basically what you basically do is to use your email, create your password, input your country, and then click on create my account. And Upwork will create an account for you and then get back to you after some few days with a message that your account has either been reviewed and approved, or you've been rejected. Most times it's going to be approved, so you don't have anything to be afraid of. That's basically it, guys. So once you've created your Upwork account, then you have a dashboard like mine. You have a dashboard like mine. But what you have to do, there's something I always tell people, that once you create your Upwork account, there's something you have to do, and that is to set up your profile. Make sure your profile is set up at 100%. At 100%. So another thing which you have to make sure to do when setting up your Upwork account is to make sure that here there's this thing called profile completeness. Let me show you guys very well. Profile completeness. So on this profile completeness, you have to make sure that everything that has to do with your details is properly input. Here, okay, here I've not put my, you have to make sure, by the way, you have to make sure that it is at 100%, because when your profile is at 100% completion, means that people will take you more serious on Upwork. Means that you can be able to get more jobs from prospective clients, because they'll come to your account and see that, okay, this guy's profile is complete. He has all his details in place. For example, right now, if you come to my account, you can see that I've input my employment history, where I worked previously. You have to put all those things, so that when clients come to your profile, they'll be like, okay, this guy has worked here. That means he has this particular experience which can help him do this my job very well. Then you have to input your portfolio. Portfolio basically means your past jobs, your work samples, case studies, and all those stuff. So let's start. For example, I'm a script writer, I'm a writer, I'm a proofreader, and the past work I've done, I basically bring it into this portfolio uh, page and input all of them there. All the works I've done. Let's say that you've done 5 jobs previously. All you have to do is to pick all those jobs and input into your portfolio section, so that here can be marked good. And these things, they have, some of them have 10 points, some have, okay, I think each of them has about 10 points. So you have to complete all these things to make sure that you are at 100%. I've not completed this too, but yet I'm at 100%, which makes me more likely to be hired because clients will take me serious. You have to input your certifications, your other experiences, your profile photo, your bio, the skills you are offering on Upwork, and all this stuff. All this will accumulate and make clients more likely to hire you. If you can see here, it is written here. Freelancers with complete quality profiles are 4.5 times more likely to get hired by clients. So you can see the exact importance of completing your profile and making it to be 100%, because the higher your completion rate, the more likely a client will hire you. So mine is at 100%, which means I've input every necessary thing I have to input. And now by doing so, it makes me 4.5 times more likely to get hired by clients. So this is very, very important. Now, after you've finished completing your profile, you come here and you basically come here. So here now you have to input your name. You have to basically input your name. For example, I can, okay, while registering, while signing up on Upwork, that is the only time you can be able to edit your name. Once you finish signing up, the possibility of changing your name becomes difficult. You can only be able to change your profile photo here. You can change your, okay, it's asking me for my password, blah, blah, blah. Let's keep moving. So here you can, okay, this part is to set your visibility. If you want people on Upwork, everyone on Upwork to see you, then set it on public. If you want only Upwork users to see you, you set it. If you want private, if you want to set your account on private, you put it. Now, project preference. If you are basically looking for jobs that are short term and long term, you sign up here. If you are looking for only short term, long term projects, which are like 3 months plus, you sign up here. Then, if you are looking for short term projects, let's like, for example, you want to work a job that only takes few days or few weeks without exceeding the 3 months mark, then you select here. So this is basically where you change certain things which you could not change or you did not remember to do while setting up your account. So let's say that you have an entry level experience, you don't have much experience, you click here, you are still at the middle, you put here, you click here, you are an expert in that field, you select here. For example, I'm an expert. And it's always good that if you are doing anything on Upwork, you should strive to become an expert. It's very, very helpful because the more of an expertise you are in a field, the more likely that clients will trust you with their projects and likewise with their money. That is basically it, guys. So here, likewise here, you can select or edit your specialized profile. You can create or edit your specialized profile. Upwork allows for 2 specialized profiles. So you can edit here, you can switch or you can delete. You can edit, you can switch, that you can change it to another specialty, or you can basically delete it. Now, what you might ask, what is specialized profiles? Specialized profiles basically means, for example, now on Upwork, you have your main profile. Let me show you guys what I mean by main profile. So here is my main profile. Here is my main profile. I'm a YouTube script writer. Then my other specialized profile, which are like other additional profiles or skills I have to offer on Upwork, are general virtual assistants, Airbnb host, etc. property finder, and also virtual assistant, appointment setter, and data entry. I offer these two services, including that of my main profile, which is a YouTube script writer. So Upwork allows you to include as many skills as you can offer. So if your main skill on Upwork is a writer, is writing, you can use it as your main profile, just like I used mine here. Then if you have additional skills that you know you can offer to, you can put them there and you can put them here. That is the essence of specialized these two specialized profiles, basically allowing you to input more skills which you can offer on Upwork. Now, after setting up your account, that's after you get your account approved, you list, you basically put your skill here, whatever you are, you put it here, whatever skill you want to offer, you put it here, and you can always change it anytime you want. Then here, you basically put your bio. You can easily edit your bio if you did not do it very well while setting up your account. You can easily edit it here. So let me make some edits to mine. Yeah, it's complete right now. Let me save. So that is basically it. Here you put how much you want to charge per hour. If you're a beginner, you can put $5 here, $7 here, or any amount you feel your skills are worth. Then after that, okay, here are some of my. You remember when I told you that you have to put your past work. Here are some of my past work, some of the articles, scripts, and all other stuff I've written. Now, you'll also come to a point called skills. Now, on these skills, this is where you put all the skills you can offer. Now, when setting up your profile, this place now, this place, let me go back there. This is where like you basically, this is where you put like the skill you have to offer. Now, in this area, you have to put in all those keywords relating to your skill. For example, I'm a YouTube scriptwriter. I'm also a writer. I'm also an editor. So here, I put content writing, script writing, different types of writing, scripting, editing, and proofreading writing. I also offer additional skills, audio transcription, article writing, blog writing, creative writing, book editing, content research, property management, real estate. Don't forget, I'm also an Airbnb co-host on my other skill profile here. So don't forget. So that's why I put all these real estate keywords here: travel and hospitality and video editing. So we saved it. Now this section is basically like all the past work I've written. When you do a job on Upwork, Upwork gives you Upwork allows your those hiring you, the clients hiring you to leave a review, because if you're a bad freelancer without professional work ethics, it will affect your profile, because the more people that you work for, the more they will leave bad reviews for you. But I'm a good I'm a good freelancer, and that is why my job success score is 96%. Now, job success score basically means the amount of clients that are happy with you. So mine is at 96%. And when you have 96%, in fact from 90 upwards is okay. But in everything you should always strive for 100%, as it makes you much more likely to be hired on Upwork. Now, these are some of the reviews that my clients left for me. All these things. It shows the amount of money they paid me for that particular work. So as you can see, it's all here. It's all here, guys. It's all here, guys. Now, these are completed jobs, and then these are like works I have in progress. I have like 13 jobs I'm still working on. So that's basically it, guys. Now, on this section, this basically means the amount of money I've earned so far on Upwork. I've been on Upwork for some few months now, so this is like the amount of money I've earned. And I've done a total of 26 jobs. Impressive. Now, remember when I told you about profile completion, completing your profile, making your profile look very, very good. Like here is that profile completion percentage. Look at it here. So here is basically all the things you have to do to make sure that your profile is at 100%. as you have to input how many hours you are able to work. You want to work on Upwork. I selected more than 30 hours because I want to work more and make more money. I selected my language as native or bilingual. Bilingual basically means that you can speak multiple languages. You can speak multiple languages. And me personally, I speak about 3 languages. So I selected native or bilingual. Now your verification, you have to verify your ID. You have to input your educational qualifications. I have a bachelor's of arts degree in English language. As you can see, these are the dates of when I entered school and when I graduated. So you have to input all these things here. That is basically how you make your profile look good. So this is the certification section. I have a certificate on proofreading from Allison, and I got this September 2022. I have another certification from LinkedIn, which is the Mastery of Articulate Writing, which was issued to me on May 2022. So all these things are here. Now these are my past employment history. I've worked as a content researcher at ABS Inc. in March 2022. I've also worked as an article writer at Union Media. I've also worked as a proofreader at Equity Reporter. So this is, and you can easily change all these things, even if you did not put them or make them perfect while signing up for Upwork. Once you've created your account, you can make edits. That is the beauty of Upwork. Now, other experiences, I've worked as an editor and I've worked as an expert article researcher. So all these are simple. Don't get scared by Upwork. Now, in the next video, I'm talking about how to make perfect cover letters, how to write Upwork winning proposals and cover letters. So that's basically it, guys. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time, guys.